Yeah, what not going with you now? Welcome back to the channel, my people. I know it's been a while since I've posted the last cooking video. Let me just set up this tripod really good. Yeah, man, upgrade. Got some new gadgets from when, but I don't need to see what I go on. No need to check out anything up on the channel, man. You understand? Anyways, guys, I am currently without power. Same way. It's been maybe about almost 48 hours now. It's Friday, almost 48 hours now because Hurricane Beryl came Wednesday in the late evening hours. Yeah. So big up on yourself first thing. Big up God. We have survived this hurricane. A lot has happened and a lot didn't happen. A lot of things could have been worse. You understand? I have seen a few clips because I am still without power and the network, the mobile network isn't back up 100%. It is maybe about 25 right now because we're still not getting 4G nor 3G. The speed we're getting is technically 2G and it's a bit on and off. Seeing? So whatever me I try to get a update from whether YouTube, the internet or whatever it is, it not work out on my side. So we can't really get a steady update. A lot of the streaming platforms them are buff and things like that. So I tend to just low it out and whenever the power restore and the cell reception restore, then we update myself with all of that. I do have content which I have to go to the nearest town, which is in Savamar, to upload those content at one of my brethren house, which has a satellite and generator at his house. So I just do some upload, set them as private. During the day while I'm here, I just make them public. Simple as that. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself and thank you guys for supporting the channel thus far. Seeing. So to the video. Right now I'm in the process of cleaning out my fridge because there's no power. A few of my stuff that I have in my fridge went bad and I had to throw them out. Those were things that I had in there before Wednesday, before the hurricane came. Seeing, and I've been trying my very best to use out majority of them things. But you don't know, being living alone, it's kind of hard. So I still have some chicken and stuff down there, which I'm gonna package all of this up and bring them to a friend's house, which he has a generator and a deep freeze at his place. So I asked him to just store some of this meat for me. We can't make anything go to waste in these times. Things expensive. So today I am here. I'm gonna run a look at one boat today with some white rice and some curry turkey neck. Yeah, it's been a while. You guys see me in my kitchen about to pressure something and I am not using my Instapot. That require current. I'm gonna have that today. So today I'm there with good old faithful pressure cooker. Let me just angle this down. Yeah, give you guys a zoom. Yeah, that is it. So what I did thus far was to just add some oil and throw in my curry to let it burn. So see me have my turkey neck here clean, season with chicken season, a little curry and some pimento. I add some scallion to this and some thyme as well and garlic. So all I have to do now is just go in with the turkey neck and just let that stir fry for a bit. You understand? Yeah, man. I've been really meaning to set up some of these gadgets, man. I did in fact have get a new GoPro as well. Well, not basically a GoPro, but an action camera. It's from Akasa, so hopefully somewhere down the line the footage and go start get a bit better as soon as I get myself comfortable with using that thing. Yeah, so that is that. I guess I can just go in now with my turkey neck. What I'm gonna do, I have 3 rechargeable lights. I'm just gonna set them up around the stove to see if I can get better lighting in the pot. Alright people, so this has been frying up for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go in with a little bit of water. And I'm going to try to use as less water as I can. See? Yeah. So now I'm just gonna cover this down, let it pressure for about 25 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I don't even know what I have in this refrigerator right now that is still good, as I have to be throwing out stuff for the past day. Yeah, so I'm gonna prep some season, maybe some Irish carrot and stuff. So as soon as the pressure cooker is finished tenderizing the meat, then I can just go in with all of that and finish spice up my turkey neck, and then yeah, I'll be good to go. In the meantime as well, just go put on maybe about a pound of rice. I can't cook anything too much as I have no way of storing all of that, so it just don't make no sense. So big up on yourself and thank you guys for going through all of this with me. You know, Hurricane Beryl was no joke. It's actually the third, I think I survived Ivan, Katrina. Those are all the threatening hurricane that came close to Jamaica. And there was another one, I don't really remember the other one name. I think there was 3. I was born after the infamous Gilbert. Seeing that was one of the wickedest hurricanes Jamaica has ever faced. Yeah. So big up on yourself. I'll give you guys an update shortly as soon as this thing is ready or close to ready. So big up on yourself. See you? Yes, my people. So here we are going, you know. Battery then dead for me in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man. Battery then dead. So I don't want to continue the video with the whole cooking and everything, but I had to be using flashlight and I started to find it a bit inconvenient. So I never bother to record anything more in regards to the cooking. And then 3 of my friends called, said they were coming over for food. 2 came, right? One of them that live right down there, so Chris, big up yourself. John I passed through, and my brethren that drive the flow bus is on his way. But nevertheless, I wanted to started cleaning up my kitchen and things, so I did. Dished out one special food for him. So see what I go on here. You see we make turkey neck look like curry goat. Yeah man, so boss food there wait for him. Yeah. It was even raining for a bit, you know, but rain stopped for you know. So there is very little that I can do at this moment. I really was planning to go on a river tomorrow, so maybe tomorrow which would have been Saturday, yeah, tomorrow or Saturday, but I'm not sure when that upload will be done, as the network is really killing us right now. So, and the heat, I know the heat turn up. I'm gonna tell you guys, the place is not that hot, but we don't have the luxury of using our fans anymore to cool us down. You know, so the least little overstress in your body get, you will feel some form of heat. Because right now I'm telling you, the place is not that hot. So even if it was on a regular day when I have electricity and the temperature is like right now, I wouldn't even be sweating. I would be somewhere in my house where the fan is, you know? And then you have days where it are really hot when not even fan can stop you from sweating. So those are not one of those days. It's actually really cool. Right now, if I just sit here right now, I will actually cool down. So yeah. Big up on yourself, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. See you out there.